Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are heading down to VanGuardian in Leeds. Just after what went on the other night, some little cunt nicked me fucking wind deflector. As you can see, I've got new ones on now. So yes, it's something that I should have done a long time ago, but I didn't. So since I've had this van, it's never had any security, nothing at all. Obviously at the beginning my van was blank, it was a blank canvas, there was nothing really, so I wasn't too fussed. But now it's all loaded up with all my camping gear and whatnot in. I didn't really want it out stolen. So, you know, I've lost it. Well, I did lose a wind deflector. Not bothered, not worried, but it just did give me the kick up the arse to go and get this van belled up. So that's what I needed. That little kick up the arse. I've nicked your air wind deflector, now go and get your van belled up. Right, okay. So I'm going down now to see Mike at VanGuardian in Leeds. And we'll see how all of that gets fitted, how it works, and that'll be it. Peace of mind, peace of mind. VanGuardian alarms for your motors. So I'll obviously let you know how it goes. Speed camera van parked up on the A168, a few miles off the A1 turning. Now you fucking scabby fucking tosser. Fucking wankers. You know, people haven't got nothing, we're gonna take off you for speeding. You fucking cocksucking twat. Anyway, we're not here to talk about that, we're here to talk about VanGuardian. But secondly, what I'd like to say is this 5th gear upgrade by T-Formation. What an improvement this has made to my van. 5th gear, I'm just cruising, I'm smiling. So that 5th gear upgrade has taken away all my stress and worry and the stress on the engine. What? It's one of them upgrades that is 100% needed on these transporters. So I'm absolutely over the moon with 5th gear in this now. We just cruising, absolutely cruising. I don't even need to look at my clocks anymore to see just where my van was screaming. I was only doing 70 mile an hour, top speed, 70 mile an hour. And that's opened it right up now, backed up better than what it used to be on the old gearbox. So I'll pick you up guys when we're down at VanGuardian. Well guys, I found another T4 to play with on the way down here. This little green van in front. That's what it's all about guys, putting a smile on your face. No van life stickers on out. I'll tell you what, this 5th gear is rapido. Clear road for miles back there, and then we boom back into traffic. It's all built up down here guys, so that's me fun over, that's me fun over. Yeah, there we go, guys. That's the VanGuardian alarms fitted. And there's the main man. Well, there we go, guys. That's the VanGuardians fitted. And a canny little time down in Leeds. I mean, like I say, I didn't know if I mentioned it before. I could have ordered them online. I think I have, so I'm probably not even bother saying that. Yes, thought it'd be best to go down, get them fitted, get everything paired up together. So I've got my remotes, and what I also got was the VanGuardian wall socket. That goes on the inside of the van. So when we in and we've got our heads down, anyone's fucking about, if the dogs don't hear you, VanGuardian certainly will. Well, they'll not hear you, they'll feel you. That's it. All fitted, all secure. Absolutely awesome bloke is Mike. Very friendly, very helpful, full of conversation. Couldn't have asked for no better. Makes you feel so welcome when you're there. So like I say, the next job it's going to be is once we get home, and I'll show you how these alarms work. Yep, there we go, guys, until I get home. And again, nice one, Mike. Thank you for all your help, advice, and your VanGuardians.